Stuck on the Google verification screen after a reset? This is due to factory reset protection FRP. In this video, we'll cover 5 ways to bypass FRP on a Google Pixel. Part 1. Perform Google Pixel FRP bypass with the professional program. Description: some users seek a practical solution to regain access when their devices are locked. An Android lock wiper is often mentioned as a reliable option for bypassing FRP on Pixel phones. How to bypass: download and install the phone unlocker software on your computer. Then, choose the Remove Google Lock FRP option and select Advanced Mode. Connect your Google Pixel device to the computer via USB cable. 6. Start to begin the Google Lock removal process. Follow the prompts to select your Pixel information, then click Next. Complete the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode. On the next screen, select the correct PDA, country, and carrier. Click Download to fetch the required data package. Part 2. Bypass Google Pixel FRP using TalkBack settings. Description: there is also a built-in accessibility feature known as TalkBack settings, which can sometimes be leveraged in FRP-related workflows on Pixel devices. How to bypass: power on Pixel settings. Accessibility TalkBack activate. Hold volume up plus down to deactivate TalkBack. Set up Braille keyboard in TalkBack settings. Go to Wi-Fi, add network, select Braille keyboard. Open Accessibility Assistant keyboard, type Google. On Google page, say Open Settings, Apps show System Force, stop Android setup. Disable Google Play services, return to welcome screen, finish setup. Enable Google Play services. Part 3. Bypass Google Pixel FRP via FRP Bypass APK. Description: another method people discuss online involves installing an application known as FRP Bypass APK to help remove Google verification on Pixel phones. How to bypass: download the FRP Bypass APK and copy it to a USB drive. Connect the USB to the locked Pixel via OTG cable. Install the APK through File Manager. Go to Settings, Backup, and Reset Factory Data Reset. Confirm the reset. The phone will reboot, and the FRP lock will be removed. Part 4. Bypass FRP lock on Google Pixel by a SIM PIN code. Description: security features built into mobile networks also come into play, and the SIM PIN code method is sometimes linked with FRP bypass attempts on Pixel phones. How to bypass: remove the SIM and connect to Wi-Fi. Reinsert the SIM, wrong PIN until prompted for PUC, and enter wrong PUC to block the SIM. Tap the padlock icon on the lock screen, then select all options to access the menu. Open YouTube settings history and privacy, view terms of service to open Chrome. Search settings in Chrome, then perform a factory reset. After reset, the FRP lock will be cleared, and you can set up the device. Part 5. Bypass Pixel FRP lock with Pangu FRP bypass. Description: finally, users sometimes refer to Pangu FRP bypass as another solution created specifically for removing Google account locks from Pixel devices. Download and extract Pangu FRP on Windows. On Pixel, connect to Wi-Fi and enable accessibility. Open Chrome. Run Pangu. Enter download mode, volume down plus power plus USB. Click Bypass to disable FRP. Reboot, reset, and set up the phone.